Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Belinda, and I am the head baker at Chantal's Confectionery. Today, I'm going to be taking you on how to make regular and Greek yogurt. What we need to make it, it's your pots, your 1 liter of water, any powdered milk you have, and then your starter. For my starter today, I'm going to be using Farm Fresh unsweetened yogurt. You can use any other yogurt. There is any other yogurt that have a life culture in it. You just check the back of your yogurt and make sure it has lactic acid culture or active life culture. It's any of those yogurts can be used as a culture. Then I also have here my whisk, my turning stick, my measuring cup, and my tablespoon. So here we're going to be doing 1 liter recipe, and 1 liter is 4 cups of our measuring cup, because 1 cup of this is 250 ml, and then 4 cups of this is 1000 ml, which makes 1 liter. So we have 1 liter of water already measured out here, 1 liter of clean water already measured out here, and we're going to turn it into our pots. Now we are making the recipe today is for extra thick yogurt, which the recipe I've been giving to you. People have already sent it to the group. It's going to be 1 liter of water with 4 cups of milk and 4 tablespoons of the culture. Now you can do the thick yogurt or the extra thick yogurt. It depends on the consistency you need. But today we're going to be using 4 cups of powdered milk, which is for the extra thick yogurt recipe. So now, as we've poured our water inside this pot, we're going to measure out 4 cups of milk and put it inside the cup. Depends on if you want. You can allow your cup to be full, you can allow your cup to be leveled. It depends. The more milk, the creamier your yogurt is going to be. Plenty. The cup being full does not actually mean that you are threatening with your recipe is going to spoil or something. It just makes the yogurt more creamier. So we have 4 cups of powdered milk inside here. Now we're going to use our whisk. I'm going to make sure that this is properly mixed inside here. I'm going to whisk properly because we don't want any lumps or any powdered clustered milk here, because if we don't mix properly, there's going to be clusters in our yogurt, and we don't want that in our yogurt. So we're going to mix properly for a while until we feel that the milk is actually dissolved in the water. Remember to also whisk the powdered milk that may have touched the side of the pot, so we don't have crumbs when the milk is boiling, and we don't have milk that has not been mixed properly. So we're going to mix this properly and make sure it's dissolved properly. I like to do it like this to shake off the milk cuddles and the inside. Okay, so now I can see that my milk is properly dissolved in the water. Now I am going to take it to heat. I'm going to put it on heat now. I'm going to put it on very low heat so that it can actually go through the pasteurization stage. We're going to stir our milk on fire for about 2 minutes. Actually do this so our milk will not burn, and in case any other milk particles inside is not dissolved, it will be dissolved during this process. Remember, boiling of our milk, we do it on low heat. Please make sure it's your milk is being boiled on low heat, not on high heat. Low heat, please. You need low heat to boil your milk, because high heat will make the milk burn, and if the milk burns, it actually gives your yogurt a burnt taste, which we don't really want. So we're going to turn this for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to leave it to boil. Please don't leave this mixture because you feel it's not boiling and then go and receive a call, or just leave it on the fire. Remember, we don't need this to actually boil. We just need the bubbles to rise. Like when the milk starts rising, we just need it to rise to a particular side of the pot before we put it off. What I like to normally do is, when I put my milk in the pot, I make a line where I put, like what I'm doing now. I make a line here to tell me that when the bubbles have risen up to that side, then I can put off my gas and remove the milk from the fire. This will prevent my milk from scorching or boiling over the pot. So that is why you have to be present. Don't know phone calls, so you just keep on turning this until it starts boiling. Remember, please boil on low heat, not high heat, not medium heat, low heat. And watch this carefully. You don't leave it to go and receive a call or watch TV or do any other thing. Your attention has to be on the milk on the fire. Okay, so I have turned it, and you can see by the sides that my milk has started boiling. There are bubbles forming at the side, so I'm going to leave it now for it to boil. So you'll see that our milk has already risen to the point which I put it that it's supposed to rise. So now, to prevent it from boiling further, I'm going to put this off and bring down my milk. Let's turn off the pot now and bring down my milk. It's ready from the fire.